Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your business networking with LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a strong LinkedIn profile. Use a professional profile photo that reflects your industry. Craft a compelling headline that summarizes your professional identity. Write an engaging summary that highlights your skills, experiences, and aspirations. Add specific skills to your profile to enhance visibility in searches. Include relevant work experiences with detailed descriptions of your roles. Request recommendations from colleagues, clients, or supervisors to build credibility. Connect with industry professionals and peers by sending personalized connection requests. Join relevant LinkedIn groups to expand your network and gain insights. Engage with content by liking, commenting, and sharing posts from your connections. Share your own original content to showcase your expertise and knowledge. Utilize LinkedIn's search feature to find and connect with potential collaborators or clients. Follow industry leaders and organizations to stay updated with trends and news. Use LinkedIn's messaging feature to initiate conversations with new connections. Participate in discussions within groups to position yourself as a thought leader. Regularly update your profile to reflect new skills or achievements. Set networking goals, such as connecting with a specific number of professionals each month. Leverage LinkedIn's events feature to attend webinars and networking sessions. Track your networking progress by keeping a record of connections made and conversations held. Continuously nurture your LinkedIn relationships through regular check-ins and engagement. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your business networking on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.